LegalShield family, it's Cliff Malloy, and I have the great honor and opportunity to recognize our newest LegalShield ring earners. And the LegalShield ring program is a prestigious program of 19 rings. It starts at the $50,000 ring. So when you've earned $50,000 in a 12-month period of time, you'll earn that ring. And then it goes on to $100,000, $150,000, $200,000, $250,000, the $300,000 ring, $400,000, $500,000, $600,000, $700,000, $800,000, and $900,000 ring, and then the $1 million ring. But it doesn't stop at the $1 million ring. It continues on to $1.25 million, $1.5 million, $1.75 million, and then the $2 million ring, and it keeps going to the $2.5 million ring, and then ending right now at the $3 million ring. So let's congratulate our newest ring earners in LegalShield.